Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time.
EFCC uncovers a ring of fraudsters investing in real estate. It's on page 6. Targets owners of estates in Abuja and other cities. Right there on the top it reads, hope rises for stranded Nigerian citizens in Sudan. Full read on there on page 4. NEMA is assuring Nigerians who are stranded in Sudan of safe evacuation. However, peace not yet in sight as warlords vow to fight to the finish. I mean, this is a story that has been going on with everything that's happening in Sudan. There was supposed to be a 72-hour ceasefire, but unfortunately that has not been the case. But it's looking like there's hope for Nigerian citizens in Sudan. Maybe they will be brought back into Nigeria.
Yeah, that is how it affects us indirectly. And it's a good thing that the federal government is taking steps. You know, I think all we should do is to urge the relevant authorities to ensure the safety of every Nigerian that is in Sudan and that they are safe.
So just very quickly, at the bottom there, we're seeing a story that says 2-story structure collapses in Ibadan police barracks. And I just picked that because, I mean, we're talking about everything that's been happening with the collapsed buildings in Ikoyi.
Right.
So, I mean, there should be an investigation into what has happened in Ikoyi and the highbrow areas. But the lowbrow areas themselves should not be ignored because even there's also corruption.
That's for your state government to deal with. But I wanted to make a comment about the EFCC uncovering thing. This is a big issue. But one thing that the EFCC should also look into is the growing rate of fraud on the internet, on social media, for people who are buying foodstuffs, you know, and edibles through this thing. So many of them, many big, low, medium people complaining now. You pay, you see what you want to buy, but you pay, and then you never receive it, and then they cut you up. It's a major thing.
Well, no, I believe we have about a minute left. Steve, if you can actually just read through.
Punch essentially is saying that on Sudan conflict, federal government raises evacuation panel as trapped Nigerians knock government. Students, parents call for urgent rescue. Sudan approves airlift of US, UK, France, China citizens. I think Abike Dabiri has been saying quite a bit about how Nigerian students, especially, you know, will be evacuated, but I think it's important.
All right, let's look at the Guardian newspaper, the Guardian. The lead story there, generals who failed Nigeria. Writers there, presidency success verdict on stemming insecurity is insincere. We discussed with an APC media person earlier, and we talked about insecurity. Well, that's what experts are saying, that the president is insincere on his verdict on stemming insecurity. And another writer there insists on value on lives, property has been at lowest. Advise incoming governor on addressing security lapses. We don't have much time.
As you know, I'm a barrister and solicitor of the Supreme Court of Nigeria, but I practice in England and Wales. And today, like we promised you, we are here gathered in Trafalgar Square, and we are sending a message to our people in Nigeria, and we're simply asking them to do one thing, and which is to uphold the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, especially Section 134, Sub 2, which is talking about the requirement for 25% of the FCT. That's what we're asking for. And we're saying that the election was definitely inconclusive. And the only way for us to move forward diligently is for us to have a rerun of the election. This is not about Peter Obi, this is not about LP, this is not about the obedient movement. We're saying we want a better Nigeria. That's why we are all here gathered. I'll show you some of us here. As you can see, we are gradually gathering, and that's the police here to protect, to make sure there's peace in this place. And so they are our friends. It's not like Nigeria where they come and kill us and shoot us for saying what we have to say. And that's my placard being designed by Ma, if you don't mind mentioning your name, Ma. Mamadi. Yeah, so as you can see, that's all we came here to say. Okay? We want the rule of law to be upheld. We're not asking for anything else. Okay? So you can see we're gathering momentum. We are gathering together. We are preparing. You can see different placards. They will soon go up. And as we go up, I will be broadcasting live. You'll see it. We're not running away from our country. Nigeria belongs to all of us. And we want Nigeria to be a better place. So, and as you can see, it's a lovely day, although it's a bit cloudy. And yeah, that's the flag going up there. This is what we came here to do today. All right? This is what we came here to do today. And God helping us, this message will go viral and it will spread to the whole countries of the world. We are saying the elections of 25th February 2023 must not stand, cannot stand, because it is a violation of our Constitution, Section 134 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended. So we do what we say, and we say what we do. When we told you we're going to gather here and protest, we met it, and we're here today. And this is not the only day we're going to protest. We are going to keep protesting.
There's all sorts of procedures by which you can front-load a case, push it, set out procedural issues, set out jurisdictional issues for the tribunal to determine. That's number one. Two, the tribunal itself can offer its own motions, to raise questions. So we've read all these petitions, and we think we can dispose of this petition if we set out some questions that, if taken, can resolve the entire thing. I'm concerned that the politics overheated, and the way to go is to see if we can get the petitions resolved before May 29. The elections were in February. That's about 4 months. What's the difficulty about resolving these cases well before the handover? Kenya has a procedure whereby they lay out a policy. There shall be no inauguration until the petitions are complete. And in the OAS panel, which I was a member, we set out that procedure. There's a certain unfairness for a petitioner to challenge the president-elect who goes on to get inaugurated. That's what's causing all the problem. So let's give it a go. Let the judiciary give it a go. Let the lawyers in the tribunal give it a go to see whether we cannot accomplish what I've described in my letter.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.